Tayin muna natin ang paglubog ng araw.
Ang dami ko kasi magandang alaala sa sunset.
Two different couples.
Will you marry me?
Akala ko hindi ko na kaya magmahal ulit.
Two different lives.
May mga nawala man sa alaala ko. Bubuo naman tayo ng mga bago.
Mag-ingat ka.
Mahal ko, ako na lang mahalin mo.
Are you sure that you really know your wife?
I love him. He's my everything. He's my life.
But this is wrong!
Pangangaliwa pa rin ba ang tawag?
How pathetic can you get?
Hindi mo alam kung gaano kasakit mawala ng asawa.
Kung ikaw naman talaga ang nauna.
Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. I'm having an affair with my husband.
The Better Half. Sundays, 6:15 p.m.
Sa Jeepney TV, enjoy ang trip!